and welcome back to LearnSBOM. I'm Juliet, and today we will be looking at a GitHub Action to generate a CycloneDX SBOM for Go projects. Alright, so to start, let's go into our GitHub repository with our Go project. Now, in this video, we're going to create a workflow that generates the SBOM, and then I'm also going to add two features that extract SBOM. So we're going to upload the SBOM as an artifact, and then we will also have it committed to the repo. Though before we do this, in order for the SBOM to be committed to the repo, the workflow needs to have the proper permissions or your workflow will fail. So we're just going to handle that now. We're going to go to Settings, then we're going to select Actions, General, and then down under Workflow Permissions, we're going to put Read and Write Permissions. And now let's save that. And again, this is just if you wanted to commit your SBOM to the repository. This has nothing to do with generating the SBOM or uploading it as an artifact. Okay, so now that we have the proper settings, let's go ahead and go to the Actions tab, and we're going to set up a workflow ourselves. Alright, and now in this file, we're going to have the following contents. And so what's going on here is that we have the setup Go portion to configure the Go environment so that the Go code can be run in the workflow. Then we have the portion that generates the SBOM. Then we specify the workflow to upload the generated SBOM as an artifact, and then after that we say for it to commit it to the repository. Alright, so we can go ahead and commit that. And so once we commit these changes, what's going to happen is it's going to create a workflow directory in the repo, and in there we have the main.yaml file we created, which we can see here. And so now what we're going to do is we're going to go to the Actions tab to see the workflow run, and we can click on it and see the job details and status. We see the green check mark, which means it was successful and everything. And so if we just kind of go into it, you can, if we click on this right here, you can go into the details of everything. But what we're going to do, we're going to go to the summary. And first, if we scroll down, we can see if we click on this is our artifact, and we can just download the SBOM this way. And then the other option is we can go to the code. Since we committed it to the repository, we can also see that our SBOM is right here. Perfect. So everything worked successfully, and that's how we create or generate our SBOM for the Go projects. And so that concludes our demo of the GitHub Action to generate a CycloneDX SBOM for Go projects. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out, and thank you for watching.
Thank you for checking out this video. If you really liked it, be sure to check out our other videos right here, and then you can also subscribe right up top here. And again, thank you. Bye-bye.